Hi everyone, I warmly welcome all the business owners, the entrepreneurs, the students and the influencers who wants to keep promote their online businesses in front of massive audience. So believe me, this course is for you now because in this course I will be keep sharing with you an effective Google Ads campaign in just 1 hour. You will learn everything with a lots of tips and tricks I will be keep sharing with you. But before proceeding further, let me introduce myself. My name is Asim Naman Lodi. I am a certified Google partner, a YouTube coach, more than 12 plus year of experience in IT sector. I'm a level 2 freelancer on Fiverr as well. The rest of the information, if you would like to know more about myself, you can visit my website. And let's talk about that, what kind of information you can learn in this course now. So I'm going to start with the Google Display Network campaigns, and then I will be keep sharing in this course in more concisely about the search campaigns. And you will be able to know these are the one of the most important types of ad formats which I strongly recommend that you must try to learn the ecosystem of different kinds of the Google Ads format now. So the question is that what kind of learning outcomes you can get. Here I will be keep coaching you the Google Ads complete tutorials, and then I will be keep telling you about how to set up Google Ads account, how to set up your campaign structure, how you will be able to know about the keyword planner, the first profitable display network campaign creation. I will be coaching you here now. And then I will coach you how to specify your targeting. And then I will be keep coaching you about the custom target audience, how you can create the custom target audience, and then steps to ad copy creation. And after that, I will be keep coaching you how you can review the campaign and how you can create your search campaign main objectives, why we are creating the search campaign. And then I will be keep creating search campaign creation steps will be keep sharing live with you guys. Another point I will be keep sharing with you introduction to Google Tag Manager, why we are using the Tag Manager, and how to link the Google Tag Manager with Google Ads account. Another point I will be sharing how to run remarketing campaign on Google Display Networks campaign. And then I will be summarize everything in the shape of conclusion. So why you are waiting now? Just click and buy this course and transform your journey. So these are my few of the customer feedbacks. You can visit my websites where lots of customers specified their feedback. These are the few ones I just specified for your information. So I'm very excited to keep sharing my knowledge, and thank you very much for watching this session.